The past couple of years, we've seen some incredible development in the AI image generation field. In such a short time, we went from incredibly basic and error-prone images to images that are difficult to determine whether they're fake or not.
Now, a fierce debate has been sparked in the world of photography after an artist entered a photo competition with an image generated by artificial intelligence and won.
I would say if you pay close attention, you can tell what is fake and what is not. At least I think I can spot the AI images. But thankfully, there is an easy way to test that. Human or AI is a website that's meant to test our abilities in distinguishing between AI-generated images and photos. So in this video, I'm gonna give the test a try and hopefully I won't embarrass myself that much. The moment I saw the website, I knew I had to record my first attempt. So I immediately closed down the website and started charging the camera battery. I don't know how often the images rotate, so if you want to also give this a try, pause the video and take the test before you watch my attempt. Anyway, let's now watch me stumbling all over the place. Okay, let's see if I can identify if the images I'm going to see are going to be human or not. I mean, this one looks real, but I kind of have the feeling that it's not. I mean, they're smart because they're not showing any background and it's only white. Okay, but I think, yeah, I think this is not real. I can see issues in his shirt. And also, the hair looks very weird. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna say generated by AI. This could go either way. This could be either a very processed Photoshop, or AI. I mean, the depth of field looks very weird. What should I say? I don't know, man. It looks weird. The thing that confuses me is definitely the depth of field. It doesn't look correct to me. The eyes are in focus, but his nose is not, and the same goes for the ears. I want to say generated by AI, but I have the feeling it's a photo. Like a bad one. Let's see the hair. Okay. I mean, you do see this kind of thing in real people, but yeah, no, I'm gonna say it's a human. Alright, this one. I don't know, am I overthinking it? It kind of looks fake to me. I don't like how the hair looks here. This area looks weird, but I don't know. The teeth don't look perfect, which is good. But they kind of blend here into each other. I want to say, what is going on here? I'm gonna say it's fake. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's fake. This guy looks. This guy also looks fake. What's going on with the hair there? I don't know. It's definitely tougher than I would imagine. Yeah, no, his jacket, whatever it is, shirt. No, this looks weird. I'm gonna say generated by AI. Okay, this one is weird. So I mean, I don't know. The face looks overprocessed. I mean, everything looks overprocessed. That's the issue. So it could either be a really overprocessed photo or some AI generated stuff. The thing that indicates that it's AI is this area here on the bottom left. So either they made a horrible job selecting the strands of hair, or this is something that the AI couldn't figure out. And it has some weird things on her shoulders. I don't know what to say. What's going on with her nose there? Okay, I'm gonna say it looks fake to me. It looks so overprocessed. So even if I don't find it, I think that the person who did this Photoshop job should be fired. Okay, I'm gonna say it's a real human, but horrible Photoshop. Okay, my score is 5 out of 5. Oh, yes. Okay. So I was correct. Okay. So this guy was AI. All right. This guy was also AI. Yeah, the lady was real but horrible Photoshop. Yeah, okay. Well, I did not expect that. Cool. Even though I was able to identify all the images, it was definitely much harder than I expected. One of the reasons for that was the fact that the faces were against a white background, so there weren't so many areas where you could pixel peep and catch all of AI's imperfections. But I think the main reason that made things difficult is the amount of overprocessing regular, real images have. We're kinda used to the look of editorial images from magazines where the skin is super smooth and all details and imperfections are brushed away. And the same goes for the images shot with our phones. We're so used to that type of overprocessing that any errors in the images don't necessarily register as out of place. For example, we know that depth of field processing can be problematic around hair or other areas of the image. So when we see something like that in a photo, it could be anything. It could be bad processing from our phone's engine, a bad Photoshop job. It could be basically anything other than an indication of an AI image. If the test didn't rely so much on white backgrounds and bad processing, I think it would have been much easier to spot the AI images. But still, even though I don't think it's the best test ever, it's an indication of things to come. This is the worst an AI image will look. In a year or two, we probably might not even be able to differentiate between a real and an AI generated image, which is wild if you think about it. Anyway, I would say give the test a try and let me know how you did in the comments below. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.